everyone! I'm Dr. Rode from Mobility Master Books. Lithium-ion batteries are not only used in mobility devices like electric bicycles, but also in most electronic gadgets. Today, I'm facing an issue with my Electrolux vacuum cleaner being used at home. The unique characteristic of the batteries I'm going to refill this time is that they are not all located in one place, but spread out in different areas. So let's begin by dismantling for battery refill. To dismantle Electrolux products, you'll need a Trox wrench since they don't open easily. You may need to pry open the cover using something like a plastic card through the crevice. Please disconnect the battery level indicator LED connector on this cover. Here, you can see plastic pins that secure the PCB. You need to spread them out to detach the board. Make sure to check carefully since there are several of them. Due to the low number of parallel battery connections, high discharge rate batteries are required. These LG 2500 AmpH batteries, which are rated at 20 AmpH, can actually discharge up to 30 AmpH. To ensure the closest quality match, it's recommended to use batteries with similar voltages, within plus-minus 0.05 volts. Let's start by separating the existing lithium-ion batteries. Be cautious when removing rubber-like parts as they need to be reused and should not be damaged. Try to preserve connected wires as much as possible while cutting or desoldering them. I've reinstalled the previously removed rubber components. When attaching or securing batteries, avoid using adhesives. This is because the PVC tube of the battery cylinder may deform, harden, or tear over time. It's best to use heat-resistant Kapton tape to secure them. Attach insulating washers to the positive electrode position before spot welding with an 8mm 0.2 T nickel sheet plate. Some electronic products, like Electrolux, have batteries scattered in different places, making it easier to replace them one by one. Hence, I've prepared a wiring diagram. For safe spot welding, temporarily insulate adjacent batteries with Kapton tape to prevent a short circuit. To facilitate soldering, use tweezers to scratch the nickel sheet tab for easy soldering. This is the location where the balance cable will be connected. Use tweezers in hard-to-reach places for easier soldering. Protect the battery and nickel plate electrode positions with durable acetate tape. Now reconnect the disconnected wires to the same polarity positions. The black droplet-like component you see here is a temperature sensor. Attach the temperature sensor, along with the thermal tape previously attached to the old battery, to the battery cylinder body. Once all wires are reconnected, insert the batteries back into the holder. Let's now replace batteries one by one in different locations. Let's create the remaining 3 batteries in the same pattern as shown in the video. Place a 1 mm heat shrink tube over the wire after separating one battery and heating it to secure it. Replace batteries one by one, removing them from the vacuum cleaner. Attach a 12 mm heat shrink tube to protect the connection area. Then solder the previously prepared battery. Protect the electrodes by applying strong acetate tape. You can also use Kapton tape. Replace the old batteries one by one in different locations. Once all 5 batteries are replaced, insert them back into the holder. Now let's press the switch. Wow, it's working normally. Success! Now just close the case and tighten the bolts. Battery refill is done very easily. Using tools for electric bicycle battery pack production, I have completed the vacuum cleaner battery replacement. Since I've replaced it with larger capacity and more powerful batteries, both the usage time and power have increased. I hope you show interest in the Mobility Master Book series, which covers electric bicycle production and maintenance. I'm the author of Master Books in Quan Huang. Subscribing and liking the video greatly support my production. Thank you for watching.